We will discuss about exercise 1.6 question number 10. See the questions. A survey of 1,000 farmers. A survey of 1,000 farmers found that 600 grew paddy. 600 farmers grew paddy and 350 farmers grew ragi, and then 280 farmers grew corn, and then 120 farmers grew paddy and ragi. So listen children, what are the three sets? Paddy, and then ragi, and then corn. Three plants grew that farmers, and 120 farmers grew paddy and ragi. If you read the question at the time, you can understand paddy and ragi means that is common. That is common for paddy and ragi. So we can use that set operation intersection. That is, you know very well. Paddy and ragi means we can use that set operation intersection. Okay. And then next, 100 farmers grew ragi and corn. Ragi and corn, that is common. That is common for ragi and corn. So we have used that here also intersection symbol. And 80 farmers grew paddy and corn. 80 farmers grew paddy and corn. Next, if farmer grew at least any one of the above three plants. If a farmer grew at least any one of the above three plants. So what we have to find out? Then we have to find the number of farmers who grew all the three. So we have to find out how many farmers grew all the three plants. That is our aim. All the three means what is that? Intersection. We know very well. Paddy denotes P. Paddy denotes P. Paddy denotes, let us consider P denotes paddy, and ragi denotes R, and corn denotes C. Corn denotes C. So find the number of farmers who grew all the three. So which one we have to find out? We have to understand the questions. All the three means paddy intersection ragi intersection corn. These only we have to find out. So find the number of means n of P intersection R intersection C. That is we have to find out. Clear? Can you understand the question? N of number of paddy intersection or ragi and intersection corn. That is we have to find out. Okay. And first of all we have to write what is given the question. So solution is given a survey of 1,000 farmers. Survey of 1,000 farmers means that is considered as total farmers. Total farmers. So how to write total farmers is 1,000 means what are the three sets? Paddy, ragi and corn. So let us consider let P denotes paddy. Let P denotes paddy. Let P denotes paddy. And then what is that another one plant? Ragi. Let R denotes ragi. And then what is that another one plant? Corn. That is let corn C. The first letter is C. That's why we have to give that name C. C denotes corn. C denotes corn. C-O-R-N. Okay. Next, what is given? The survey of 1,000 farmer means the 1,000 is considered as 3 plants. This 1,000 is considered as 3 plants. So we have to write totally 1,000. Totally 1,000 means n of the 3 plants. What are the 3? Paddy, union, ragi, union, corn. So we have to write n of P union R union C is equal to how much? Is equal to how much farmers? 1,000 farmers. Clear? Can you understand why we have to write n of P union R union C? They given the question a survey of 1,000 farmers. That is likewise paddy, ragi and corn. So we have to give the name paddy, ragi and corn. The 3 plants is together as 1,000 farmers. Yes? Okay, next. What is given that another one? 600 farmers grew paddy. So, we have to consider paddy as P. So, N of P. N of P is equal how much? 600 farmers. And then next 350. That is ragi. So, N of R. N of R is considered 350. And then next corn. N of C. That is we give the name N of C. 280. Next see that 120 farmers grew paddy and ragi. Already we had studied in the before classes. And coming means that is intersection. That is common for 2 sets. Okay. So we give that name number of paddy, that is B, intersection ragi. Paddy and ragi. So we give the name. So we give the name P intersection R. That is how much? 120. And then next what is given that? 100. 100 is grew that ragi and corn. Ragi and corn means what is the first letter? R. And then corn is first letter C. So R intersection C. You put that N. Number of how much? 100. 100 farmers. And then 80 farmers grew paddy and corn. So you give that number of 80. Paddy and corn. Paddy first letter is P. Intersection. Corn is C. So give that name C. Find a number of P intersection C. How much? 80. Okay. Okay. These all is given. Given that instruction we have to write. Next, what is our aim? We have to find out. See the last line. Find the number of farmers who grew all the 3. That is which one? N of P intersection or intersection C. So we let the number of farmers. So you have to write let the number of farmers. Let the number farmers who grew all the 3. All the 3. That is we give that is equal to X. We don't know. That is value we don't know. So we give the name is X. It is called N of P intersection or intersection C. This is we don't know. This only we have to find out. To find. So we give the name is X. Okay. Next we have to find out. In that application of cardinality set, we will apply 2 methods. One is Venn diagram. Another one is formula method. Okay, in that homework also I gave one sum to find N of B. At the time you have applied the formula. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Remember it, children? I think you hope understand that formula. At the time we have to apply the values and finally we have to find out N of B. The same likewise here, given that total number of farmers in this sum, they given total number of farmers. So we have to apply the formula. When we have to apply the formula, the total number of farmers or else the total number of players or else the total number of ice cream likewise. Whenever the given question total number of something is given means at the time we have to apply the formula. They doesn't give the total number means at the time we must apply the Venn diagram. Clear? So now we have to apply the formula. What is the formula? If the three set is given means we have to write the formula. You know very well two set of formula. Now only I told that formula. If the three set means the formula n of A union B. Sorry, we give the letters is P or paddy. So we give the name is paddy union ragi union C. Corn. Okay. P union, ragi union and C. So we have to give the name. N of P union R union C means what is the formula? First of all we have to write the formula same like was N of P. Then N of B plus and then next N of R ragi and then plus N of corn. Corn is given. So we have to write the formula corn. And next intersection. The common is given no. So we have to put the minus symbol N of P intersection ragi. Paddy intersection ragi. And then next one minus symbol ragi intersection corn. N of ragi intersection corn. And then next another one, the remaining N of paddy intersection corn. Okay, this is for two sets. And then finally put the plus symbol. And three sets. The number of farmers who grew all the three. That is number of farmers grew all the three means N of. I think that is there is a no place. So I have to write here N of paddy intersection plus this final is plus N of P intersection ragi intersection corn. Clear? This is very easy formula. If you can understand means you no need to memory this formula. The three set is given means you have to write first of all N of P. The first set is paddy, so N of P. Then second set is ragi and third set is corn. So you put plus symbol and then next intersection. So you put the minus symbol for three intersection place and then finally put the plus symbol for three sets for intersection. Okay, this is that formula. Now we have to apply. Why we have to select the formula? The given question total number of farmer is given. That's why we have to select the formula. If there is a no total number of something is there is no means we doesn't apply the formula method. At that time we have to apply the Venn diagram only. Now we have to apply the values N of number of paddy union ragi union C. What is the value? You know very well what is the value? Given value. See the question. Now only I have write 1000. So you have write 1000 is equal N of P. How much N of P? 600 plus N of R 350 plus N of C 280. N of C 280. Next you don't forget put the which symbol? Minus symbol. N of P intersection R. N of P intersection R. What is the value? 120. And minus N of R intersection C. N of R intersection C. How much the value? 100. And minus N of P intersection C 80. And finally what is the symbol? Plus symbol. Instead of plus symbol, we put plus symbol. And N of P intersection R intersection C. What is the value? Is there is any value? No, there is no value. So we have find out. We have to find out that alone. So we put instead of X. N of P intersection R intersection C, put X. Okay, that is our aim. We have to find out. Okay, next add the three values, plus values. Add the three plus values. 0, 0, 0, and then 8. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. 13. 13 means 3. Balance 1. Add the three values, 600 plus 350 plus 280 is equal to 1230. And then next minus 120 minus 100 minus 80. You know very well, you have studied that algebra. Same sign come means add and put the same symbol. So we have to add these three values. Add means we get 300 and put the same sign minus. So minus 300 and plus x. X only we have to find out now. Okay. Next, subtract this value. Subtract this value means we get 930 minus f plus x. Okay. 1000 is equal to 930 plus x. Okay. Next, you have to subtract these two values. Okay. Next, what we have to find out now? X value. We need x value means this 930 is coming this side. So, 1000 minus 900 and the plus symbol is coming this side means minus is equal to x. So, therefore, x is equal to 70. Okay, children. The number of farmers who grew all the three. How much? 70. That is, we have to find out, that is the question, to find the number of farmers who grew all the three is equal 70 farmers. Okay.